Welcome to Biography Zone. Michael Faraday, the life and legacy of a scientific genius. Introduction. Michael Faraday, 1791 to 1867, is often regarded as one of the greatest experimental scientists of all time. His groundbreaking work in electromagnetism and electrochemistry laid the foundation for numerous technological advancements that have shaped the modern world. Faraday's life story is not just one of scientific discovery but also of personal perseverance and intellectual curiosity. This biography delves into the life, achievements, and legacy of Michael Faraday, whose contributions continue to influence science and technology today. Early life and background. Michael Faraday was born on September 22, 1791, in Newington Butts, a village now part of South London. He was the third of 4 children in a family of modest means. His father, James Faraday, was a blacksmith who struggled to find consistent work due to poor health, and his mother, Margaret Hastwell, was a homemaker. Despite their financial struggles, Faraday's parents were supportive and instilled in him the values of hard work and determination. Faraday's formal education was limited to basic reading, writing, and arithmetic, as his family could not afford more. At the age of 14, he was apprenticed to George Riball, a local bookbinder and bookseller. This job proved to be a turning point in Faraday's life. Surrounded by books, he developed a keen interest in science, particularly in chemistry and electricity. Faraday avidly read the works of prominent scientists of the time, including Isaac Newton, Joseph Priestley, and Humphry Davy. Early career and mentorship. Faraday's thirst for knowledge led him to attend lectures by the eminent chemist Humphry Davy at the Royal Institution. Impressed by Faraday's enthusiasm and potential, Davy took him on as an assistant in 1813. This position was a significant step for Faraday, providing him with hands-on experience and exposure to the forefront of scientific research. In 1813, Faraday accompanied Davy and his wife on a European tour, which included visits to major scientific institutions and interactions with leading scientists of the time. This experience broadened Faraday's horizons and further fueled his passion for scientific exploration. Scientific contributions and discoveries. Faraday's contributions to science are vast and varied, spanning multiple fields. Here, we highlight some of his most significant discoveries and inventions. 1. Electromagnetic induction, 1831. Perhaps Faraday's most famous discovery is electromagnetic induction. In 1831, he demonstrated that a changing magnetic field can induce an electric current in a conductor. This principle is the foundation of electric generators and transformers, which are crucial components of modern power systems. Faraday's experiments showed that moving a magnet through a coil of wire generated an electric current, a phenomenon now known as Faraday's law of induction. 2. Faraday cage, 1836. Faraday invented the Faraday cage, an enclosure made of conductive material that blocks external static and non-static electric fields. This invention has numerous practical applications, from protecting electronic equipment from electromagnetic interference to ensuring the safety of sensitive experiments. 3. Electrochemistry. Faraday made significant contributions to the field of electrochemistry, particularly in understanding the principles of electrolysis. He formulated Faraday's laws of electrolysis, which quantify the relationships between the amount of electric charge passed through an electrolyte and the amount of substance deposited at the electrodes. These laws are fundamental to the field and have practical applications in industries such as electroplating and battery technology. 4. Diamagnetism and paramagnetism. Faraday's research into the magnetic properties of materials led to the discovery of diamagnetism and paramagnetism. Diamagnetic materials are repelled by magnetic fields, while paramagnetic materials are attracted to them. These discoveries were critical in developing the field of magnetism and understanding the behavior of materials in magnetic fields. 5. Faraday effect, 1845. In 1845, Faraday discovered the Faraday effect, which is the rotation of the plane of polarization of light when it passes through a material subjected to a magnetic field. This discovery was a crucial step in the development of the field of electromagnetism and the study of the interaction between light and magnetic fields. Recognition and legacy. Despite his lack of formal education, Faraday's contributions earned him widespread recognition and numerous accolades. He was elected a Fellow of the Royal Society in 1824 and later served as the Fullerian Professor of Chemistry at the Royal Institution, a position he held for life. Faraday was awarded the Royal Society's prestigious Copley Medal twice, in 1832 and 1838, for his groundbreaking work. Faraday's humility and dedication to public service were evident throughout his career. He delivered numerous lectures and public demonstrations, making complex scientific concepts accessible to a broader audience. His famous Christmas lectures at the Royal Institution, initiated in 1825, are still held today and continue to inspire young minds. Personal life and character. Faraday married Sarah Barnard in 1821, and their marriage was a happy and supportive partnership, though they had no children. Faraday was a deeply religious man and a devout member of the Sandemanian Church, a Christian sect known for its simplicity and emphasis on community. His faith and modesty were reflected in his scientific work, as he often attributed his discoveries to divine inspiration and rejected offers of knighthood and other honors, preferring to be known simply as Mr. Faraday. Faraday's character was marked by integrity, humility, and a tireless work ethic. He was known for his meticulous attention to detail in his experiments and his insistence on accurate and reproducible results. His dedication to the principles of scientific inquiry and his refusal to engage in speculative theories earned him the respect and admiration of his peers. Impact and influence. Faraday's work laid the foundation for many technological advancements that have shaped the modern world. His discoveries in electromagnetism paved the way for the development of electric motors, transformers, and generators, which are essential components of modern electrical systems. The principles of electromagnetic induction and the Faraday effect continue to be fundamental in fields such as telecommunications, medical imaging, and quantum computing. Faraday's legacy extends beyond his scientific contributions. His approach to experimentation, characterized by rigorous methodology and an unwavering commitment to empirical evidence, set a standard for future generations of scientists. His ability to communicate complex ideas in an accessible manner inspired a culture of public engagement with science that continues to this day. Conclusion. Michael Faraday's life is a testament to the power of curiosity, perseverance, and intellectual integrity. From his humble beginnings as a bookbinder's apprentice to his status as one of history's most influential scientists, Faraday's journey is a source of inspiration for anyone with the passion for discovery. His contributions to science and technology have had a profound and lasting impact, and his legacy continues to inspire new generations of scientists and engineers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to stay tuned for more fascinating biographies and insights into the lives of history's most remarkable figures.